assist with students to explain about body movements and joints. Before going into the topic, let me explain you some introduction. Here we are learning about body movements and joints. We are doing different exercises in yoga classes and at schools. For doing these exercises, we do different types of movements. For example, moving your arms and legs, forward bending, shoulder rotation and neck rotation. We can do these movements easily because our body is flexible. Such flexibility in our body is due to presence of joints.
Discuss about what is a joint. Do you know what is a joint? A joint is actually a place where two bones are joined together. Press your hand against the knee, shoulder and fingers. We will feel the joints. Not all the joints are movable. On the basics, whether the joints helps in movement or not. The joints can be categorized into two types, movable and immovable.
Discussing about immovable joint that allow no movement of the body parts. These are also called a fixed joint. Such joints are found in the skull, except the joint found in the skull. In all other joints found in the body are movable.
Now we will discuss about movable joint. The joint helps in the movement of body parts. They are classified as hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, gliding joint.
Now I will discuss about hinge joint. The hinge joint is very similar to door hinge. We can see that door hinge also opening and closing of door into joint. Similarly, hinge joint in the body also allows the movement into directions. For example, elbow joint and knee joint.
Ball and socket. In this joint, the end of the bone acts like a ball. This bone fits into another bone, acts like a socket. Hence, it is called ball and socket. Example: hip and shoulder joint.
Now I will discuss about pivot joint. In this type of joint, one of the bone acts like a ring, acts like a cylinder and fits into end of another bone which is like a ring, and hence the first bone rotates in a ring and allows the easy movement of the body parts in different directions. Example, neck joint. We can move upward, downward and sideward. Thank you.
Now I will discuss about gliding joint. In this type, allow the bones to glide over each other and hence allow slide movement of body parts. In this type, the bones are flat and they slide over one over other. An example, ankle and wrist joint. Thank you.